the machine must be turned on. Open the top cover until it locks in the open position. There are 4 drums, one each color: yellow, magenta, cyan, black. Remove the toner and the drum assembly for the color you want to change, in this case the magenta drum. Place the toner and drum assembly on a clean flat surface. Push down the green lock lever. Remove the toner cartridge from the drum unit. This brother machine has a separate toner and the drum unit. You have to change only the drum unit. Take the new drum unit. Clean the corner wire of the drum unit by gently sliding the green tab from left to right and right to left several times. Be sure to return the green tab to the home position. If it is not, printed pages may have a vertical white stripe. Reinsert the toner cartridge firmly into the drum unit. Don't touch the drum, this brown or green cylinder. Slide the toner cartridge and drum unit assembly into the machine. Close the top cover. Now you have to reset the drum counter. On the printer's display, press and hold this icon for about 5 seconds. Release the icon. Press drum. Select the toner color for the drum unit you need to reset. Press yes. The drum counter is reset. DCP-L3550, 3520 and 3527 have different instructions. You'll find the reset procedures in the description of the video.